Hi, good night, everyone. It is Sunday, August 2nd, 2021. It's actually now officially Monday on my side, but I want to go over a few pairs this week. And in this video, I will cover GBP JPY, gold, Euro USD, and USD CAD. I'll try to make this as short as possible, and I'll get you guys started with my top-down analysis. So right now, the market just opened about 30 minutes ago, 34 minutes ago. And I'm currently not too interested in GBP JPY at the moment because its spread is widened by 20 pips. And that's a little wide for me. And so I'll just wait a little bit, maybe like another hour before I enter a GJ trade. So I'll get back to this analysis in a little while. I am looking for shorts, and it does look like it will be on a drive. One thing I would like to do is check out another pair. Let's go to USDCAD. It's a bank holiday in Canada, so that could be some movement on this pair. Now I'm going to set this chart up, so give me a couple of minutes. And I have no clue where the direction is going at the moment. This is brand new, fresh, right in front of you guys. I'm taking a live trade, marking up my charts and everything in front of the audience, so you guys can see my exact process on Sunday. Oh my goodness, this. All right. So I am having a bearish bias for USD CAD at the moment. On the 4-hour chart, it definitely does look like it's going on a downtrend. On the daily, it also looks like it's a fresh close and that there will be a powerful drive to the downside. It is a bank holiday, but do not get manipulated by the fundamentals because it can be tricky. Now, I would take this trade if I was a long-term trader or an investor because that's 151 pips away from my continuation to the upside. So I wouldn't be bullish for unless it closes 150 pips away from current price around 1.261. So at the moment, I'm going to look to take this trade, and then a simple stop would be looks like 60 pips away from current resistance, but that's not my stop zone. I have to go into a smaller time frame to really be able to get a little deeper into this. Yeah, it's a perfect time to sell. It's 10 pip spread, and it's not too bad. I would definitely like to look into the smaller time frame now. So let's go into the 5 minutes to find our entries. Perfect. Drop a standard. Market order. Now, I don't care what your other mentors say about market orders. I love using market orders. All right. Stop loss is going to be, see, that's 20 pips. Just make sure that the spread doesn't hit me. Okay, the ask line is red. All right. My stop loss is going to be about 15 pips above that high. I'll give it a solid 25 just because I don't mind. So a total of 44 pips is what's currently being risked to gain. TP1 would be around 51 pips. Let's look at USDCAD on the larger time frame. See if it all correlates. I'm not really satisfied with that TP1, but I definitely would mark that zone as TP1. Ultimately, I would be aiming to take it down about 80 pips, so that would give me about a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio on this pair, and I'll follow up with you guys on this later on. Let's go into the next one. Gold. It doesn't look like gold is currently moving. It's not the current time for it to market, so I will update you guys on that in the next video. Let's go on to the next pair. Looks like we're only able to trade 2 in this video. EURUSD. I'm gonna do the same thing, so just bear with me for a few as I set this chart up. It looks like it's going down on the daily. Awesome. Let's look at the 4-hour. The 4-hour is definitely bullish. So we can see how if you just took a trade off of a long-term bias, you could be right in the longer run, but you might be in some serious drawdown. EURUSD, I actually want to buy standard. Right now, I don't even mind because the spread is fine. It's about 4 pips, 5 pips. And let's find my stop loss and my TP zone for this one. I'm going to let you guys decide where you think the TP and SL would be based off of what you see right here. And then I'll let you guys know. All right, so that should be enough time. Stop loss on the 4-hour is pretty obvious to me. It would be about 125 pips away. That's a little out there. It's a little far, so I definitely will refine that in a moment. But let me look for a TP. TP, I'll get about 125. That would be 1-to-1. Now let's reduce the size. Shoot. Delete that. Guys, I've been waiting for the market to open all weekend. I have some new heat for you all, so just be ready. See, I entered a buy, but the spread brought me up 10 pips, so it's really supposed to be down here. But, oh well. Or not 10 pips, 4 pips. So, should be where price is. All right, and yes. So, absolutely, I'm taking this all the way up. Minimum 50 pips. This one, my stop loss is simply going to be 28 pips away. So you guys see everything. This is all I'm doing for this video. Euro USD longs, TP zone around 1.1909, and stop loss about 1.1843. That's for Euro USD longs. And for USDCAD shorts, we are currently up. Stop loss, you guys see on this chart, around 1.251, and take profit zone will be around 1.2385. Now I'm going to let these run. Be patient, give it a few hours, and hopefully profit targets are hit. I've been refining my system for quite a while now, so I'm trying to make sure that my profits are hit within the session, and if not, then no later than the entire day. It's a lot of work, but it all makes sense soon. That's it for the video. I'll follow up with you guys in the morning.